good day, really good day, really good day, really good day, really good day. Feeling okay, feeling okay. Sun is out and I'm feeling okay. Hope you have a really good day. Sun is out and I'm feeling okay. Hope you have a really good day, really good day, really good day, really good day, really good day. Feeling okay, feeling okay. Sun is out and I'm feeling okay. Hope you have a really good day.
There'll be girls across the nation that'll eat this up. Babe, I know that it's your soul, but could you bottle it up? Get down to the heart of it, no, it's my heart. Your shit out of your love, don't make me tell you again. Woo! Love, love, love. Hey. Love, 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 love. I do it for love. Love, love, love.
Do it for. Yeah, do it for. Do it for. I do it for the love, yes I do. So you don't care about the money, well yes it's true. And I'm so blessed to be fulfilling my destiny. All material things could mean less to me. Only thing I ever could need is a Sarah B sample with a dope ass beat. And get the mic check, all the levels right. And if it's good then I'll be here for several nights. Cause the only thing I need is a strong supporting team. The most important thing that helps supporting my dream. And I can't forget my family, helping keep my sanity. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand for me. I do it for love. No matter what I do, I know they'll always stand for me. I do it for love. Yeah, I do it 'cause I can only do me. That's all I know. Dodge the difficulties and take life slow. And if I ever slow up, you know I always show up. It's still the same on me, even if I blow up. Love is what I do it for. Love is why I'm rapping. Love is the main reason for how all this happened. Love for all my fans, love for all the shows. Got love for all my memories, no matter where I go.
Okay, hi again guys. I am pleased to be bringing you another video. So it's about 14 hours later. So what you saw previously was 14 hours ago, and it is quite hot. So if you're hearing the crickets outside, it's because I have to open my window. It is too hot to leave my window closed. It is hot. So yes, I'm saying all this to say that taking into account the humidity and the AC and the walking up and down, this is the end result after my 14 hours. Let me recap for you guys. This side is the Mixtress J Cosmetics Honey Shea Twist Seal Butter. And this side is the Camille Rose Naturals Almond Jai Twisting Butter. I have a full review on the Camille Rose Naturals butter. So if you want to know more about that, where I go quite in depth, you can check out that review. I don't know which video you will see first, but I have two videos featuring this brand. And one of them is this comparison battle of the products, local versus foreign, and the other one will be a wash routine showcasing the other products from Giselle's line. This is my first time trying it, but I think it's an excellent brand. Excellent, Giselle. Excellent. You hit that thing on the head. Yes. I feel like doing my presidents. But anyway, in the battle of moisture. So let's go. In the battle of moisture, which product wins? Which one do you think? And I find that very hard to say because, as you guys know, Camille Rose Naturals Almond Jai Twisting Butter is one of my favorite styling products. and it does an excellent job of moisturizing. So if I say that this product surpasses Camille Rose Naturals, it means that it is a bomb.com moisturizer. In the battle of slip, although your styling product does not need to have slip, but I guess it's a plus if you want to finger the tangle as you're going along. In the battle of slip, this one won. It did. I'm not lying. In the battle of definition, this one. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but I find that this side of mine was a lot more defined. It was a lot more stiff as well, and not stiff in a bad way. I guess it was less able to move in the wind, and I think it's because this product is a lot thicker. But in the battle of definition, I find that I had more definition with this product. I had a little bit more frizz on this side. In the battle of ingredients, they both win. They both have great ingredients. They both are natural, all natural products. In the battle of price, I actually need to check that for you guys. Hold up, let me go check that for you. I will put on the screen which one wins in the battle of price. My apologies, I did not check that for you guys. Giselle sent me a couple of her products, so thank you, Giselle. I appreciate it greatly. And so I don't know the price, but I would repurchase. And that's something I want to say. I definitely would repurchase this product. So that is the battle for you guys. If you like this type of video, let me know. Probably I can feature some homemade products versus some popular brands. Let me know if you've ever tried any of the Mixtress J's products. And I will leave the information down below as to where you can get it, how you can contact her, whatever social media pages they have. I will leave you guys the information. Check it out in the description box. Of course, don't forget to like. Don't forget to share with a friend. That is the only way we can grow, and I need to grow, guys. Hello, stagnant is not for me. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to the family.